Strawberry is the main representative of red fruits, typical from temperate climates from the north and Chile. This small red fruit with a slightly acid flavor has a strong and pleasant aroma and is extremely versatile. Strawberry is considered the most delicious fruit by many people and is used in many juices, smoothies, ice creams, sweets, cakes, cookies, and even some bittersweet recipes, especially salads. But do you know the health benefits of strawberries? They are many, including prevention of obesity, improvement of vision, healing wounds, and strengthening the walls of blood vessels, which improves circulation. Isn't it incredible? All of that happens thanks to vitamin C and anthocyanins, antioxidants, which are responsible for the red color of strawberries. But that's not all. Strawberries have even more benefits. Let's see how this fruit contributes to your heart health. Lowers cholesterol. A study showed that strawberry contributes to reducing the bad cholesterol, LDL, in the body. The researchers fed a group of volunteers with 500 grams, 17.65 ounces, of the fruit every day for a month. 15 days after the experiment ended, they noticed that the cholesterol levels were down by approximately 9%. This happens because strawberries are rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that prevents the oxidation of the bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing the levels of good cholesterol, HDL. This substance reduces the inflammation levels on tissues and, to boot, also lowers the cholesterol and triglycerides levels. It is a superfood. Strawberries are considered a type of superfood due to their high nutritional power. They are mainly made of water, 91%, and so are low in calories. They are also a good source of vitamin C and fiber. They contain anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But that's not all. Eating strawberries has a positive effect on your circulatory system. Prevents cardiovascular diseases. A study related the consumption of red fruits with reduced risk factors for cardiovascular problems in healthy people. Strawberries have high amounts of phytochemicals called anthocyanins, which make fruit red and prevent cardiovascular diseases. Strawberry is rich in fiber, which can help reduce the risks of high blood pressure, strokes, and arterial diseases. Liking the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Besides all these benefits to your heart, eating strawberries helps strengthen the immune system since it is rich in vitamin C, which can also improve your skin. Fights obesity as it contains proteins, fiber, and good fats that give the sensation of satiety, curbing the hunger. Improve mental capacity since vitamin C stimulates thought skills and mental agility. And vitamin B reduces the homocysteine levels that contribute to Alzheimer's disease. So, did you like learning more about the benefits of strawberries? Remember that strawberries grown in traditional agricultural processes tend to have pesticides, so it is necessary to sanitize them thoroughly before eating. Wash the strawberries with plenty of water without removing the leaves. Put the strawberries in a container with 1 quart of water and 1 cup of vinegar, and let them soak for a minute. Then dry the strawberries with a paper towel. Whenever possible, opt for organic strawberries, which are free from pesticides and chemicals. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.